If you want to remove SIM card from Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you need to do is you need to take a look at one of the sides of the Z Flip 8 to find the SIM tray. This is how the SIM tray looks like. We have this SIM tray hole as well, and we need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box, for example, to remove the SIM tray from the phone. So we're gonna put the eject tool into the SIM tray hole, just like that, and then use a little bit of pressure, apply a bit of pressure to push it into the phone so that the SIM tray pops out. It's going to pop out only slightly, and then you want to use your fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray. There we go. Now over here we have our SIM card, and thankfully it's very easy to remove the SIM card. Usually it pops out very easily. As you can see here, we have a little hole, and you can just poke it from that other side so that the SIM card is going to be easily removed. And of course, remember to put the SIM tray back into the phone. Just slide it all the way in and make sure that it is fully inserted. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.